everybody, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to perform the system reset and how to calibrate the Vantage 5000 screen. To proceed with the system reset procedure, we have to switch off the pump, press and hold red and green buttons and switch on the pump again. It might take up to 30 seconds. At this point, if you like to go ahead with a resetting screen calibration, you can cancel the system reset procedure by pressing X button and then turn off and on the pump. If you like to go ahead with the system reset procedure, press the tick button. After the system reset procedure is completed, the touch screen needs calibrating, so please follow the instructions on the screen. Now the system reset procedure is completed and the touch screen is calibrated. In this tutorial we have presented the Vantage 5000 system reset procedure, the screen calibration and resetting the screen calibration. For more information, please watch our other tutorials. Thank you.